Hello guys, in this video we are dealing with the Arduino serial communication functions, the Serial.begin and the Serial.print. The serial communication is the way Arduino communicates via USB to the computer. To use the function, we'll write a simple code and monitor it on the Arduino software. In the setup, we type Serial.begin, open bracket, and then inside the bracket we'll put the baud speed. And then in our loop, we'll write Serial.println, open bracket, and then add quote, then type whatever you want. I'll add a 2-second delay. Now upload this code to your Arduino. When it's done uploading, go to Tools, Serial Monitor. Set the speed to 9600. You can see the Arduino sending this text every 2 seconds to the computer. You can even develop softwares to communicate between the Arduino and your computer.